everyone to our fun world. Today I'm going to be doing the video and I'm going to make
Bob, the secret agent.
No, he is not a secret agent. Stop.
I told.
So he is Bob, the purple thing, and this is his tent made of hexagons.
And that's the ball trophy.
And this is my trophy because I won a prize.
Check my videos out. I only have one magnet video, so just check it out.
So let's get into the video.
Yeah.
So I'm going to break these and I'll show you how to make it again. So each of these is a hexagon. And this is 3 hexagons with this, which I'll show you how to make. So I'm going to take this apart. Okay, so we've got our colors for our ball trophy. Now we'll use the color, or we could just make the ball trophy first and then break that. Okay, we'll do that. So first we got to make little hexagons. So it's gonna be like this. So we make this. There we go. Okay, so 1 hexagon. And then we do the same with all the other beads. And then we're going to use green to make 1 more hexagon. And then that's going to be the bottom. So you do like this. It transformed. And then we connect them all together. Wait. We connect them all together like that. Wait. What? Like that. And like that. And then we have the bottom piece. So it should look something like this. Yeah, should look something like this. And then we make a few more hexagons. And then we do the same thing like this, but just 2 of these. And then we connect them both, which will make the top part, and then we stick them together, and that's pretty much it. So yeah. Put this to the side, and then we make a few more hexagons, so 4 more hexagons, and then we connect 2 of these together, and then that will be the top part, like I said a few seconds ago. Connect them, and then this is the moment of truth. Yeah, I mean, you could just leave it like this and yeah, say I'm done. Or if you want to make the trophy, yeah, there we go. So yeah, that's our trophy. Hooray! There we go. And now we're gonna make, so this is our trophy, and we are going to make next our 10. And Bob might never survive. So, yeah. Bob is very rare. You can only find him in the Antarctic, maybe. I mean, maybe. He's always traveling, so yeah, you can't necessarily find him. I mean, you can, but it's very hard. So, I'm very sorry, Bob, but yeah. There we go. Okay, we're back in business. No, we're not back in business. We're back in jail. So yeah, as you can see, as you can see, we have finished one hexagon / cheese. And now we're gonna do the other hexagon / carrots. There we go. Our third hexagon. Now we have to connect all of them. And wait, Bob is supposed to be inside. Never mind. Don't close it. Because we have to make Bob first. Bob, are you ready? Never mind, I squished him. So, how do I make Bob? I think it was okay, we're back in business. So apparently that wasn't me. And wait, did I lose a piece of Bob? No! Yay! Wait, what? Oh my god. No. Yep, you know what? We're gonna make Bob ourselves. Okay, we finally got one piece of Bob. So you see how I did that? I cut off a corner. So yeah. Wait, Bob. Yes, Bob, please. You. Yeah, I saved Bob. No way. No way, I just saved Bob. Okay, we're back. So, we gotta make the same thing again. So, yeah. Okay. Doop, doop. Bobby. Wait, I have a new way of making Bob. We're going to call him Market. Okay. Now that's going to be his new head. Well done. We made him. Just not the... And a few likes equals 2 arms. Actually... Yeah, there we go. Yay! Bob is happy. And now we put him in the middle of the tent. You see? He's in the middle of the tent. Then we close it up. Close it up. And then, yeah. That's it. He's in his tent. Happy. He won a trophy for making himself. So, that was it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe and like the video. We have to reach 1 million subscribers. Me and my brother alike. And subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any other of our videos. Bye.